Welcome back, guys, to another random video. So today we're going to be replacing this aftermarket unit with the original unit. This one just did not work for me, so let's get it off. Got the mounts and everything else off, so now we're going to remove the hoses. But before that, we're going to use this hose clamp, and this is just to minimize the amount of fluid that comes out of the hoses. Got two. And as you can see, the hose clamps are doing their job and there's very little spillage. Got that piece in place. Unfortunately, that's too big. I couldn't put a screw on that. Now we're going to put the unit, try to find a way to wiggle it in. Make sure that the vent lines up with this. Then we'll worry about the wires. And these are the 3 screws that come from the firewall. They're just behind the battery. So I got it mostly lined up, but don't forget, there's the flap for the heater. Then you have this little rod that goes through here. So we need to take that off. Put this cable on. That way, once we put it all back together, we will not have room for that. Alright, got the cable in place. Now we can try to fit the rest of it on. Make sure it sits on the bracket on the back. Then line it up from the other side so we can put the bolt on. Once you have everything lined up inside, have somebody help you out so you can line up the top bolt and then just below the other 2 bolts. Once it's lined up on the other side, have somebody help you out so we can align it, get it started, and then you can tighten it. Then all we have left is the wires and the hoses. So as far as the wires go, the orange goes to the orange. That's the stock wire. The black one I had to extend a little bit. That one goes here on the resistor on the top. Then this is the stock plug. Just plugs right in. And that's that. Well, there it is. Got the fan running. It's coming up to temperature. I ended up having to put double clamps on this hole just because it was leaking a little bit. And it's all done. And it works. So, see you on the next one.